Alright guys, my call on this chart is already giving us up to 30% in profit. Yeah, we're already up 30% in profit here. And when I made this call, people were doubting me like how the market is already in an uptrend. Why am I shorting it? Now, after the market got to my entry, and as you can see right there, it just a sniper entry and it's now moving downwards. The comments now changed to how was I able to know? What are my confidences? Did I read any news? What made me to make that call? Okay, so right now, one of my secrets in getting this high probability setups as a newbie in this field is just the simple knowledge. The knowledge. There are three key factors that can turn you into a profitable trader. Number one, the knowledge. Number two, your psychology. And number three, your patience. These are the three top factors that can turn you from losing into winning. So right now, I'm going to explain to you guys one of my strategies, and a very powerful one that can at least, if not turn you to a profitable trader, but at least can increase your win rate to 30% in one call. Yeah, can increase your 30% in one call. So let me do a top-down analysis on this call. What are the conferences that I saw that actually make me to color this trade? Okay, so right now let us go to the charts.
All right. Now let's quickly rush down to what we have for today and how to get this done. Right now, if you check on this pair AVASUSDT on the daily time frame, because normally whenever I want to analyze a chart, I normally start from higher time frame. Why? I'm looking out for directions. I'm looking out for market trends. I'm looking out for what is happening at the market at the moment. Right now, as you can see, market is on a downtrend. Market is on a downtrend, giving us a break of structure, giving us a break of structure. Yeah, over here is a break of structure. And over here is also a break of structure. And over here is also a break of structure. But if you notice something here, market has broken this resistance. Market has broken this resistance. Because if actually I'm to looking for opportunities to sell, continue selling, I'm anticipating the price to react to this zone and pull down. That's what I'm anticipating. But as you can see, market have broken this major support, as you can see. And right now, I'm anticipating that it should come back to retest it and continue its uptrend. I'm thinking that it should come back to retest it and continue it on the uptrend, possibly to get to this next high, possibly to get to this next high. Yeah, this is the next high that I'm looking out for. If markets should come back here to retest and pull up. Right now, normally this is the high time frame. I've already gotten the structure. Market has shown me it's it's what it wants to do. Because normally you don't frustrate, you don't trade by your emotions, you don't market is going to be going to no understand the system, because even the law says whatever that goes up will surely come down. All right, now which lead us to, let's go to a lower time frame, which is the 4 hours. As you can see, here was a support that was broken. Market then came to retest it, but it did have the power to continue pushing down. Rather, it gave us a low here and pull up, which means here is now our change of structure. Let me remove this for now. Giving us a change of structure here. Here is now our change of structure. Here is now our change of structure. Let's put it down. Here is now our change of structure. That means we are now looking for a buy. We are no longer looking for sales. We're looking for buy setup. All right. So as you can see, market is actually coming down to retrace this zone, which leads us to go into a lower time frame, Okay. Now, as you can see right here, what do you think is happening right here? Market was giving us, this is a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. So I'm anticipating if once price breaks through this zone, once price breaks through this zone, I'm expecting that it should come back to be tested down. I'm expecting the price should come back to retrace it downwards. And to make everything clear, let's go back to our forward time frame. Going back to our forward time frame, as you can see, this was the recent low, and this is the recent high. Let's use our fib tool. Let's use our fib tool. Okay. Now this is the premium and this is the discount level. So I'm expecting for price to come back here for anything to start happening. All right. I'm expecting that price should come back to this zone. Normally I do map out 0.50 to 618. These are my golden zone. 0.50 to 618. 0.50 to 618. This is what I normally use. My entry will be at 0.50 and my stop loss will be a little bit below 618. Okay. So right now we'll go back to 1 hour. Delete this. We'll go back to 1 hour. On 1 hour time frame, as you can see, we are getting it accurately. These are all liquidity. These are all liquidity placed there. What I'm anticipating now for this is a high, a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. If price happens to break this low, it's a signal, it's a confirmation that yes, price is ready to come back to this zone. Price happens to break this zone. It's a signal that price have actually is ready to come down to this zone. What I'm looking at for here, for example, yeah, like this, breaks down, comes up. Okay, this is what I'm actually looking at for here. Let me make it look more professional, please. Like this, this, and this. Okay, this is what I'm actually looking at for. Because price will try to test here, and test there. And our entry, we should be looking out for a long right here. We should be looking out for a long right here. So if you are on AVAX you should be looking out for to buy from this zone when market tends to come down here. Okay, but currently we should deal with what we have at hand. Let's look out for a change of structure here. Let's look out for a change of structure here. If market breaks this lower low, it will surely come back to retest it. That's when you will not enter for a sell. Because now we cannot enter for a sell. If we enter for a sell, our stop loss should be at this 20 pips. You should enter for a sell. Try giving your stop loss a breathing space and drag it all the way down to this level. This is what I'm expecting currently now. But if you are anticipating for a very long buy, it is this zone. If you are expecting for a very long buy, please, this is your buy zone. Now for sales, Let's wait for price to break this low. And when it comes back to the test state, which I know it will definitely will, then we trigger for a sell and we hold it down to this zone. Okay. Thank you. And make sure you use proper risk management. No trading is 100% accurate until it plays out. Because right now, with the structures I'm giving you, this is how to make your analysis very simple and clean. You don't need all these indicators. You don't need to make your trade complicated. Allow the chart to show you what it wants to do. Market might choose to start pulling up from this zone. Yeah, market might choose to start pulling up from this zone, or market can still even come up to this place to give us a double top. Market can choose to give us a double. Market can choose to come out to this very zone to give us a double top. Yes. And it once a double top is once price comes to this zone, and you're also seeing a kind of rejection, like bearish engulfing, um bearish hammer, a bearish hammer, you short. There are different kind of chart patterns that you should know. These are things that makes you a profitable trader. Once you start seeing a rejection pattern here, also sell, also sell. This sells depends on what market wants to do. Once you start seeing a rejection right here, you also do what? Sell. You also sell. And right now, you won't sell to the previous target. You sell to the next target, which is this zone. This is the next target you hold yourself to. These are my top analysis on AVS, AVA USDT. All right. This is very simple. Very, very simple. Remember, this place, I'm looking for a say if market giving me rejection candlestick, bearish hammer, and candlestick engulfing bearish chart pattern, that would signify that resistance, this resistance here is actually strong, whereby giving us a double top. And once double top is formed, it's a clear confirmation that market wants to put to the opposite direction pattern. Right? If it forms here, to short. If market also breaks this place, breaks this zone to retest it, you short. These are simple ways to catch a very good analysis. And if you check, all of them are very, this is 1:2, almost 3 risk reward ratio. And this is 1:3 risk loss ratio. And they're all good sectors, whereby if price tends to move, you can also now pull back your stop loss to your entry, making it 1:9 risk reward ratio. This is how simple magic of how trading works. First of all, give your stop loss a breathing space. Stop loss, I'm hit. You didn't reason why I put this thing so that I gave it a little space above this high. A little space above this high. Market might choose to come all the way up here to move. As you can see, at this level, this is a psychological level. 28.000 right here. This is a psychological level. My stop loss is a little bit above it, whereby if market breaks this zone, that means we are looking forward for an uptrend. I will notice that I'm wrong. Yeah, for market to take me out, it's actually means that I'm actually wrong. And for market to take me out, it means I have entered this trade. Remember, for you to enter this trade, you must wait for confirmation. Very, very important. must wait for confirmation. Confirmation which I'm looking out for. Multiple candlestick rejections. One, bearish hammer, bearish hammer, bearish engulfing chart patterns. These are something that they will see that you confirm that here can give us double top, and we'll sell. Okay. Now this is what I'm expecting to see on AVAS USDT on today being the 25th of August 2024. Thank you.
That's really the end of today's video, and for you to watch up to the end to actually mean that you actually learned something from it. Please do well to subscribe, and of course drop a comment on the comment section. Any comment at all is, if you're still finding it difficult on this pair, any pair that is related to crypto at all, just hit it on the comment section. I'll go through all the comments to attend to all your questions. Remember to like so that this video will be recommended to those that actually need it. Okay, now stay safe and trade safe. Bye.